We all experienced a very unique crisis that it was global, but also it was a double whammy effect for the region, especially Saudi Arabia, due to the oil price decline. And so we experienced a big hit to the economy, but also the way we look at it is also more tactically and opportunistically as a big reset to the regional economy. I think there are many opportunities in the region. It's one of the fastest growing regions in the world. And we have seen a lot over the past 10, 20 years since I've been also in the region. So we believe in new sectors as well. As the regional governments are leading the way to a more diversified economy, we see that there will be also other sectors that will come, online, and we would like as a group as well to be part of it. I mean, still the Saudi economy, the revenue is driven by 60% by oil. The government had plans through the 2030 vision to diversify the economy. We hope that as we come back from lockdowns and there is a vaccine and there is some kind of normality to the economy, that we will rebound to the initial target. And that's where we look at at opportunities like from technology, digital transformation, healthcare, education, sustainability, food security, which is a key sector now that is coming up to the region to make sure that we have the source on our grounds and we don't depend on supply chain constraints. And that's why we look at private capital opportunities, but also on the listed markets, on the stock markets.
What about tourism and travel as we see economies, of course, around the Middle East and the UAE, as we've been focusing on today, are reopening?
Yeah, travel and tourism were hit very much. As we all know, the region has been a transit hub with the airlines like Emirates and Etihad. So travel and tourism are suffering right now, especially UAE. Saudi had big plans for the religious tourism and for Mecca and Medina. This is also now being paused. But for the long term, I think that we all need to get back with a revised business model to make it more sustainable, not to be driven only by, like drivers like this one, like shocks, and make sure that also we can sustain the travel traffic, the tourism traffic. And Bahrain even is working very hard on introducing some plans for bringing in tourists that, they can also become residents. And I think that's where the big opportunity is for the region, to bring in more human capital as well and have a good balance with a very young population and innovate